Hi guys, so today I'm going to share with you all a very tasty and a healthy recipe. So before we do that, I hope you guys have watched my previous video on the mee curry. For those who have not watched that, please check out at my channel and also subscribe to my channel. So today we are going to look at chicken basil recipe. It's very simple, very delicious. So now not to waste time, let's check it out. So to prepare our basil chicken, these are the ingredients which we need. 2 chicken breasts which I've already sliced, 1 red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 3 dry chili and a handful of basil, 2 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then salt to taste. So these are the ingredients which we need to prepare our basil chicken. So let's get a pan ready and then we'll add our olive oil. Once the oil is hot, let's add the onion, garlic and dry chili. Cook them really well for about 5 minutes. Next, let's add our chicken. Mix it well and let it cook for 2 minutes. Take note that we don't have to add any water as the chicken will release some water. While it's cooking, let's add 1.5 teaspoons of salt, next let's add the sweet soy sauce, then add the oyster sauce, mix them really well and let it cook for about 5 minutes on a high heat. Take note that chicken breast meat cooks very fast. It's been 5 minutes and our chicken smells really good. Now let's turn off the fire. Finally, let's add the basil. The heat is good enough to cook the basil because we don't want to overcook them. So now let's mix it well, the sauce and the chicken, and there you go, a simple and a healthy, delicious basil chicken ready. Wow, look at that, guys. I've already tasted it. It tasted really good. So now it's time to eat. So guys, finally our basil chicken is ready. I've already tasted it. It tasted really good. The flavor of the basil, the chicken together with the sauce, and also having it with the rice, it really went very well and it was so satisfying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like my video, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. As I mentioned earlier, I have more and more interesting videos coming up, so stay tuned and check it out. Thank you.